I started by cleaning all the glass inside and out on the doors. And all the insides of the windows and blinds. I cleaned out all of the kitchen appliances, the kitchen cabinets, the pots and pans, all the drawers. Wiped and cleaned, reorganized. The outside of the refrigerator, the inside was okay. All these drawers, the countertop, the table, including underneath the table, and all the chair legs and bar stool legs were covered with pet hair. And I continued with all of these windows. I removed all the couch cushions and washed the covers and did the throw pillows. Tried to clean the futon as best I could. Didn't do so well, so I covered it with a sheet. The tabletops were pretty clean, but the legs were covered in pet hair. The baseboards were done. The walls were wiped best I could. The window ledges and window sills still have a lot of gouges in them and scuffs and dirt from pet activity. I wiped down everything in the bathroom, including the floors, in the corners, behind the door, the tops of the doors, and wiped down all of the light switches. I did the windows and the blinds in here and the floors. The rest was pretty good. I did the inside and outside of the closet. Those louvers were full of dust and pet hair. Also in here, dust and pet hair. I did the floors, baseboards, windows and blinds the best I could. And I wiped down this bathroom and the blinds and window and the all of the screens on the inside were cleaned. I did cobweb removal from up here, as well as in the kitchen. All the floors were mopped and the lower half of the walls were scrubbed. And that's a wrap for the inside. I'm not going to do anything on the outside today. I can come back and do more on a later day.